right. Life there feel we enjoy it. Prosperity we employ. Moffat's family there so we sing about it. Content feel we enjoy.
Yo, 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 what up, everybody? It's Chris Mo in the building. It's been a while, but you don't know. I have to come and, blessing up with a new video. It's a short one. It's just showing them basically, we going fishing in the cold river, like ice cold river. Yeah, man. So let's come join us as we enjoy ourselves on the new journey. Big up in yourself.
Like the beach. Yeah. So what's that? Where you leave your fishing line?
Huh?
You leave the fishing line in it.
I put the fishing rod in it.
Yeah. Yeah.
But I bought this in shop.
So this is where you leave the. Oh, you put your bait.
Yes.
Yeah.
Worms. Okay.
mixing with my fats.